Hi guys, today we're going to go over ways that you can help your classmates upload their things from their choice board or anything else from their drive onto Google Sites. The first thing that everyone needs to do is they need to get into their sites. There's ways to do this. You can go into the website sites.google.com, or if you're in another part of Google, you can click on the 9 squares up top and go to Sites. Some people might have to click More in order to see their sites. Okay, so I'm going to go to my sites. Your classmates' sites will more than likely say their names, digital portfolio. Mine's just called Miss Tonema. Anytime you want to edit anything on your site, you have to be in the edit page mode. So go up here to where the pencil is and click on it. And now you can see the blinking cursor, and that tells you you're in edit mode. You also have the insert button and the options up here to change the text. That tells you you're in insert mode. Okay? So everyone's going to be working in their 3rd grade section. Okay? Now notice that when I changed pages, I'm no longer in edit mode. I have to re-go into edit mode. Okay? So the first thing I'm going to show you how to upload is going to be their iPhone fake text. Some people have this ready to go, ready to upload. They just need to know how to put it on their site. Okay? So here is their iPhone fake text. In order to share it, we have to go to the share buttons up here, and we have to find the cloud. This cloud means download. Okay? It's kind of a universal symbol for download, just like a settings button would be. Okay, so if I click that, sorry guys, had a phone call. Okay, so if you click the download button, you might have this notification come up that says pop-up blocker is active. Click here to share. To share, that's a nice word, huh? Okay, so click down there. And from this site, you are going to have to take a screenshot, or depending on what device they're using, you may be able to click and drag to the desktop. Okay, so remember, if you want to do a screenshot, it's Shift Command 4, and that changes your cursor. Or if you're on a desktop, you have to go to the Start button, which is down here, and then the snipping tool, and then save it to the desktop. If you're on an iPad, you click the home screen and the top button at the same time. Okay? Either way, they're going to end up with an image that's going to be saved to their desktop. Okay? So once you have that saved to your desktop, it's really easy to upload it to your site. You're going to go back to their page that they want to edit. I'm just going to give an example on my biographies page. Edit page. Then because we're inserting something, click Insert. This time, we're not doing anything with Drive. We're just doing an image. Okay? Now, from this site, you have to upload an image. You have to find on your computer from where to upload. Okay? So, if I click right here, open, it pops up. Okay? Well, it will in a minute. So, if I click on it, and then I click OK, my image is going to pop up. There it is. You can change where it's located on your page from the settings button. Okay. You can change the size. You can click on it and make it small. I'm going to stick with mine large, I think. Okay. And then save. You may want to encourage your classmates to add a title. Okay. So this is a fake conversation. Okay. Oops, sorry. Okay. And then save. The next thing I'm going to show you how to upload is their storyboard that. Okay. Now, this one is a little more complicated, but if you do it exactly how I say, you'll be good to go. So when they find their storyboard, they need to be on the page that has the save button. Okay, the save button right down here. So if they click save and exit, it may have them type in a title and click OK. Now from this page we have all of our sharing options. Okay, we're going to embed our storyboard onto our site. This gives us a code. Some of you are familiar with codes. We have to copy this code. So I'm going to do Command C and then close. Go back to my website. We're done with Storyboard. We got what we needed. So now we're going back to our website. When you're in the edit mode, there's a button that you may not be familiar with because it's not up here. It's down here. It's the HTML. This is where we put any kind of code we want to add to our page. So look at all the codes that I have already on my page that Google Sites automatically makes. My cursor is up at the top. That's where I want it to be so I don't mess up another code. Okay? All I'm going to do is Command V and paste my code. See, there's my cursor now, so that's the code that I just pasted. Update, and there goes our storyboard. Okay? You can change the size of this too. You can make it the original or you can make it fit the screen. I'm going to make mine fit the screen. And then save, and they're done. They can close out of their storyboard. They can close out of their iFake text. Okay? Now, I think you all are very good at finding things from your Google Drive, but I want to show you what might happen if they have trouble. So let's pretend that I want to insert this document called Blank Circle Map. I'm going to go to Drive, and I can tell that that's a presentation. Okay, so I'm going to click Presentations. And I don't see it right away, so I may have to search for it. So I know what it's called. It's called Blank Circle Map. Okay, and there it is. They might have something that someone else owns that they shared with them, like a landform project, that doesn't show up. All they have to do is make a copy, and it automatically adds it to their drive. Okay, now if I went back to my drive, you would see, there it is right here. It's in my drive. Okay. Okay, I think that's all. Please let me know if you have questions, but please try to use those awesome technology instincts that you have in order to help your classmates. We can help each other out. Thanks, guys.